All right, we're up here at Excel. Let's see if we can get some video footage of me taking a couple laps with the Mini Z. Start out slow. That wasn't slow. Ooh. I'm not even gonna make no excuses on that one. That was just me crashing. Holy cow. Xavier's car gonna need some work done by the time I get it home. All right, let's see. Let's make these corners. Gotta figure out. Yeah, let's bring it in for a second. Nothing's rubbing. These radio tires scream now. It's like I'm getting too much grip in the corner on that. I gotta fix this trim too. Ooh. I need to sweep the course is what I gotta do. They just got done setting the course back up from the Kyosho Mini Z Cup. Nice. I just want to say like, share, subscribe, peace and love, God bless. Get out there and hobby it up, RC any way you can. I know it feels like I'm over here. Let's see if we can turn the flash on. Without me messing anything up. See if I pause. All right, maybe my battery's too low. Oh, man, I crashed into that wall. I love it when I come here and the track's different. All right. Oh, something's not right. Oh, his rubber came off. All right. Let's fix that real quick. All right. I just want to say, well, you know what? Let's see if we can get some more time going. Let's see here. Let's pause. All right. So I went on ahead and put some slicks in the front. Let's see if we get that same rubbing. Still kind of turning to the left a little bit. No, it's turning too much to the right. I think it might need some tire tape. I don't have no rim tape. We're just popping the rims on. Now my turning is a little bit quicker with the slicks in the front. It's funny how you go from a radial to a slick. Oh. And it just feels differently. Now we got radials in the rear. I tried to take the DRZ over there to the drift course, but I couldn't get the drift car to just hold a drift for me. I gotta do some more tweaking with the DRZ. Ah! Dang. Yeah, I gotta fix this trim. It's gonna mess me up. Oh, and I lost a wheel and a tire. That's not good. Front wheel and the lug nut. I gotta find the lug nut now. And then the thing that's going on with the DRZ is every time I'm turning, I gotta fix the gyro. It's turning too much to the left, but as you guys can see, it's kind of offset here, so I gotta fix that. But alright, you guys, that's gonna end the vlog for today. We lost a wheel and a wheel nut. I'll go look on the track and see if I can find it. So I get for not tightening up my tires. That's the reason why that tire probably came off the rim like that. Alright. Let's say like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. I would say we go look around in the hobby shop, but right now they're remodeling the hobby shop right now. So just want to say like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Get out there and hobby and RC any way you guys can.